Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Christmas is right around the corner, and today, we're diving into one of the most important focal points of your home during the holidays, the fireplace. Whether you're gathering around it with family or using it as the backdrop for those Instagram-worthy holiday photos, a beautifully decorated fireplace can instantly make your living space feel cozy and festive. So, let's talk about 10 easy ways to deck out your fireplace this Christmas. Number 1. Hang a festive garland. First up, a classic but always effective idea, garland. Drape a lush, green garland across your mantel to instantly bring a touch of nature into your space. You can keep it simple with just greenery or dress it up with ornaments, pine cones, and ribbons. For an extra cozy touch, add some twinkling fairy lights to the garland for that magical Christmas glow. Number 2. Personalized stockings. Nothing says Christmas like hanging stockings by the fireplace. Get creative with personalized stockings, embroidered names, fun designs, or even DIY your own using fabrics that match your decor. Not only do they look festive, but they also add a personal touch to your space. Number 3. Add a candle display. Next, let's talk candles. Create a simple yet elegant display by arranging candles of different heights on your mantel. Whether you go for classic red and white or something more modern like gold or silver, candles bring warmth and ambience to the room. Try mixing in some candle holders for extra style points. Number 4. Mini Christmas trees. Want to make your fireplace the center of attention? Place small, decorative Christmas trees on either side of the hearth. You can choose from traditional green trees or go for something more unique, like white or frosted trees. Decorate them with tiny ornaments to tie them into the rest of your holiday theme. Number 5. Hang a wreath above the mantel. For a polished, picture-perfect look, hang a wreath above your mantel. Whether it's a traditional pine wreath or something more modern like one made with eucalyptus or berries, it instantly elevates your fireplace decor. You could even make it a DIY project with ornaments and ribbons to match your theme. Number 6. Display Christmas figurines. Add a bit of fun to your mantel by incorporating festive figurines. Think cute reindeer, Santa Claus, or even nutcrackers. These small details can give your fireplace decor a playful, whimsical touch while still keeping it classy. Number 7. Incorporate Christmas artwork. Another great idea is to swap out your regular artwork with some seasonal pieces. You can go for framed Christmas prints, signs with festive sayings, or even DIY your own holiday-themed art. This simple switch makes your fireplace look completely fresh for the holidays. Number 8. Fill stockings with greenery. Looking for a little something extra? Take those stockings hanging from the mantel and fill them with sprigs of greenery, holly, or berries. It's an easy way to add texture and make your stockings pop. Plus, it's a subtle nod to nature that complements your Christmas tree. Number 9. Oversized ornaments. Oversized ornaments aren't just for the tree, they're perfect for your fireplace, too. Place a few large, eye-catching ornaments on your hearth to add a touch of elegance and whimsy. Whether they're shiny, matte, or sparkly, these bold decorations really make a statement. Number 10. Wrap fairy lights around the mantel. And finally, you can never go wrong with fairy lights. Wrap them around your garland, drape them along the mantel, or even use them to outline the fireplace itself. These twinkling lights create a warm, magical atmosphere that will make your home feel straight out of a Christmas movie. And there you have it, 10 easy ways to decorate your fireplace this Christmas. I hope these ideas have sparked some inspiration to make your home extra festive this holiday season. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with your favorite Christmas decorating idea. Happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next one.